Anyways, folks, I don't know. I went out and bought this oven, this electric oven here. And I'm using my cheap camera because I just don't got time to hook up a good one. I only get a few views, so. Because I just got tired of my oven. It's uneven. I just want something that's flat, where the grease will just settle flat for a change instead of, you know what I'm saying, how like the grease will roll to the back, because some of these ovens are they're not level. So I went out and got this thing here. I'm about to try it out, cook some fried eggs, and we'll see how it turns out. But like I said, I just want something that's flat for a change, where the grease and the oil, everything is even. So let's check this puppy out. Got it off of Amazon for only like around $16. That ain't a bad buy. Let's check it out. And today I'm going to try some peanut oil, because I hear that like canola oil and all that stuff, that's called seed oil. I don't mean black seed. I mean seed oil, as in that's just what they call. In other words, stuff like this. I think this stuff like here is bad for you. Canola, I think I've been reading up about it, and it's ugh. So let's try some peanut oil, like Jimmy Carter used to raise peanuts. And let's see here, this thing here, if I can get the lid off. Just put a little bit of that in here. Okay, I got it turned on now. Put some of this peanut oil in here. A little bit, you know what I'm saying? Poor man's chef. Okay. Let's crack a few eggs here. Again, man, this is just a poor man's chef here. Forgive the kitchen, all dirty. I'm not Martha Stewart. I'm more like JJ from Good Times. Or Fred Sanford. Put a few eggs in there. Just crack them up, let them. There's no more egg here. You know what I'm saying? Chef Boyardee. I may start my own restaurant in the Cajun region of Louisiana. I'm not sure yet. And let's get a spigot. And like Steiny said in a little rap, you gotta kind of slop it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta kind of slop it up a little bit. Now, I've never used this stove before, but I like the way it's flat, and I hope my battery don't go dead. All my camera, the batteries are going dead, even though I don't use them, man. They go dead just sitting still. But I like the fact that it's flat. See how even that is for a change? So hang on. And as you can see, I've added some other stuff to it, like some leftover baked chicken that I didn't probably cook to the fullest. So I'm just adding stuff to it, man. It's called the poor man's chef, or the practical man's chef. And I'm getting used to this, whatever. I'll turn this down. It's pretty good once it gets heated up. Pretty good, actually. But I've put some potatoes in there. See, I put some potatoes in there and some chicken. Just slop it all up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I like it so far, though. I do like it. But anyways, this is about the end of it. But I just want you to see it. It cooks even. I just got to get used to its temperature variance compared to the regular stove over here that you can see. And this thing here, like I say, man, it just, I don't know, it's uneven, or it's either high or all the way down, or this or that. It's tilted, so all the grease flows to one side, and so I'm like, you know what, let me just get this little thing here for like $16. That way I can cook my food and it'll be even. Plus I got two, so I could be cooking two things if I wanted to. But anyways, folks, I think this demonstration is over. All right, now go get your shine box because it's time for me to eat.